IPVanish VPN is the most popular way to hide your IP address for online privacy, anonymity, security, and more. With military-grade encryption and a strict no-logs policy, IPVanish VPN guarantees you online safety, privacy, and anonymity. But does it work? What devices or services does it support? In this video, we'll see if it works with YouTube TV, Firestick, iPhone, Apple TV, Samsung Smart TV, laptop, Netflix, and Peacock TV. Let's find out. IPVanish provides random IP addresses, fast bandwidth, and up to 10 simultaneous connections, all of which make watching YouTube TV much safer and easier. IPVanish is a fantastic YouTube TV VPN that can simply help you avoid geoblocks. It has over 1,600 servers in 75+ locations to select from, and uses the WireGuard tunneling technique to provide fast speeds. All of this, combined with some of the greatest customer service in the industry, makes IPVanish one of our top VPNs for watching YouTube TV, and other streaming services like Netflix. IPVanish provides a native app for Amazon's popular Fire TV devices. The app works with Amazon Fire TV Stick, Fire TV, or Fire TV Cube devices that are second generation or later. The app unblocks geo-restricted content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, and BBC iPlayer, among others. IPVanish additionally encrypts the connection between your Fire TV device and the internet, protecting your streaming habits from prying eyes. Please note that the software will not work properly on the first-generation Firestick due to the older hardware. Do not use IPVanish if you have a first-generation Firestick. IPVanish requires a Firestick Gen 2 or later. If you want to find out how to set up IPVanish VPN on your Firestick, Fire TV, or FireCube, check out the link in the description below. IPVanish is a well-known and well-respected VPN for iPhone users. It offers lightning-fast speeds as well as a plethora of advanced features such as Auto Connect, a kill switch, and a choice of protocols. IPVanish provides a very robust iPhone app that can be used for a variety of VPN purposes. If you want to find out how to use IPVanish with iOS devices, check the link in the description below. The simple answer is yes, but you'll need additional hardware because the Apple TV can't connect to IPVanish VPN on its own. The Apple TV must be linked to a device capable of sharing its own internet, and connecting to IPVanish VPN in order to connect to IPVanish. Yes, IPVanish VPN works with Samsung Smart TV, and other Android TV devices. Yes, IPVanish supports most operating systems and devices from Windows, Apple, Google, and Amazon. This is the complete list. Do you want to watch NBC Peacock TV outside of the United States? It's geo-restricted, so you'll need a VPN to access it. This VPN is an excellent alternative for anyone trying to watch Peacock TV outside of the United States, because it has fast servers, a real no-logs policy, and unlimited bandwidth. Finding the best VPN to access Netflix libraries from anywhere is difficult. Netflix keeps track of known VPN server IP addresses and blocks them on a regular basis. IPVanish is a wonderful alternative for watching Netflix from anywhere. It has a large server network that allows it to easily access Netflix libraries all over the world. Furthermore, its ultra-fast speeds allow you to view your favorite shows without lag or interruptions. If you want to surf the web with complete privacy and not be tracked by hackers or spammers, then IPVanish VPN will be the perfect option for you. To learn about current specials and discounts, click the link in the description below. Stay up to speed with the latest and best security solutions by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.